Circulation is part of the Jamaican Herb Education series from Jamaica Health Box. On JamaicaHealthBox.com, this product is listed as Circulation Tonic. It connects traditional plant-based wellness with the modern habit of learning what is inside the products we use. Here is the Jamaica Health Box note in simple language. Promotes blood flow and clear blockage and clotting in veins, blood vessels and arteries, reduces swelling in the feet, increases oxygen to the heart. In Jamaican homes, herbs are often discussed as part of food, tea, cleansing, rest, and daily wellness routines. The goal of this video is education, not medical advice. Herbs are not magic pills. They work best with clean food, water, rest, movement, and guidance from a qualified health professional, especially if you take medication, are pregnant, or have a serious condition. To learn more or get the cleanse and herbal products, go to JamaicaHealthBox.com. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Jamaican herb education.